Hey guys, and welcome to yet another video of Fragrance Jam, and this time I'm here with this. Let's check this out. So I'll be honest here, I was thinking about buying this because a lot of people from my friend circle are using this perfume, and they specifically mentioned that please review this perfume. They had the bottles, they were even sending me the bottle for review, but I was like, it's fine, I'll review it later. I then just thought of just letting it go. Then I was just surfing randomly on Facebook one day, and I saw this offer where this perfume was available for like this party combo, which is the pack of 2 perfumes. It was available for just 999 rupees. So for 1000 rupees, 100 ml EDPs, 200 ml EDPs was a very good offer. So I was like, let's do it. So I bought this from my own money, and this is nowhere promotion or any kind of affiliation with Villain. So this was obviously a blind buy. I did not open this perfume. However, I know how the scent profile is, because with this one they have sent these kind of miniatures. So this is, I think, 8 ml bottle of the same perfume. So just like this, there was a blue one, but that is over. That is the reason I literally threw it away. So yes, this is how the bottle is, and I know how the scent profile is. However, I was keeping this perfume just to open it and show an unboxing of this perfume. Okay, so I am really impressed by the presentation, because here this sleeve is there, and after the sleeve you'll be getting this this very good box. The presentation is really good. The box is hard box it is. So this is the kind of box that you get in niche perfume. So after just holding this box, it reminded me of niche perfumes box, which is similar to that in terms of quality. So this is the box, and this is how you get the perfumes. So these are 100 ml perfume. This is Hydra, and this is the normal Villain EDP that came first. So yeah, now we'll just open these perfumes one by one and see how the bottle is, and how the spray is, and how the overall scent profile is, and is it really worthy or not. Okay, so these are the boxes, very simplistic. This is front, side, and back. The price of this perfume, like a single perfume, will be 750 rupees as mentioned in the box. However, I got it for 500 rupees. So this brand actually came into limelight after the super hit movie KGF. So the actor of that movie, Yash, is actually related to this perfume. Maybe he's the brand ambassador of this perfume, the perfume house. I'm really not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. So I just took a wild guess, because he is always in Villain commercials and everything. So this is why. Okay, anyway, this is the bottle. This is how the bottle looks like. This is very good. I'm impressed with the presentation, because seriously, it is good. Like, if you're holding this bottle in your hand, you feel that you have something in your hand, not like a perfume worth rupees 500 obviously, but it is good. The bottle reminds me a little bit of Blue de Chanel, just the presentation, that's it. And the cap is good, plastic cap, but it is good. Let's do the spray. I ideally don't waste the spray, but I guess I can do this for this one. Yeah, so again, it is good. The mist is good, and overall presentation wise, I'll give it 9 out of 10. Presentation is same for the blue one as well. No difference, just the bottle is different, that's it. I don't think there is any other difference apart from this. I've seen the bottle in photos and stuff, but right now I'm just opening it. So yeah, this is the blue bottle. So the black one is just Villain and normal bottle, and here you'll get Hydra. So Hydra, that means obviously the perfume is aquatic and best for summers. So let's talk about the Villain, which is the first perfume, the very first launch of this brand, and for 500 rupees I'll say, if you are taking the box. So the scent profile of this perfume is woody, a little bit musky, it has that little bit of sandalwood if I'm not wrong, and soapy vibe. That is what I get from this perfume. And I was shocked by the performance of this perfume, because when I had that small bottle, I tested it, I sprayed it on myself, and it gave me a very good performance of 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours performance. Yes, you can expect and you can get from this perfume. And basically this perfume is for night time, for parties and for winters. The scent profile is, I'll say, unique in terms of what I have sniffed so far. The quality is good. I won't compare it with any other present perfume or any other perfume available in the market, because honestly this is pretty much unique and different from what I have sniffed so far. The main and prominent thing that I observed in this perfume is that soapy profile, you know, that soapy kind of note that you get from perfumes. I'll just give you an example. There is a perfume from Ajmal called Passion. So that perfume has similar soapy vibes. So I'm not saying that this is a clone or related to that perfume. I'm just saying that yes, it is. The scent profile, the soapy profile is almost the same. Now for the Hydra Blue, and of course, as you can guess from the name, it is an aquatic fragrance, and possibly it is a summer scent. The sprayer actually is good. It is better than the black one. I don't know why and how, but yes, it is. Okay. So what I get here is citrus, and it is strong. So this is aquatic citrus and floral heavy scent. The citrus is prominent here. Obviously it has to be, because it is design, it is meant to be for summers. Lemon vibe, that is what you will get here. Now please don't mistake me for any other lemon perfumes or lemon vibe perfumes. Again, this is something that I have not sniffed on any other perfume. The notes and the character of this perfume is different from any other perfume available in the market. At least from the perfumes that I have sniffed, it does not resemble any of them at all. The longevity of this perfume is amazing, because I tried this perfume when I went out at 1 p.m. Like in the afternoon. It was like super hot atmosphere, and I applied this perfume from the sample that I got, and it actually was present till 5 p.m. 5 to 6 p.m. and it is impressive because it was entirely hot out there, and I was out and I did not expect this perfume to perform that much. The only perfume that performs this much on my skin in summers is David of Cool Water. So ideally I use that perfume if I'm going outside, and this time I just use this, and it is impressive. So for the price of just 500 rupees, it is worth a shot. So overall, I like these perfumes, and I will definitely recommend these two perfumes to anyone who is looking for any kind of perfumes below 500 rupees, below 600 rupees, below 1000 rupees. If you're getting these two perfumes all together, that is with the combo pack, it will be below 1000 rupees. There's just one bad thing about these perfumes, and it is that these perfumes are, to me, these perfumes are a little bit synthetic, but obviously for 500 rupees I cannot expect the natural ingredients and stuff. So the only reason why I feel these perfumes are a tad bit synthetic is because I have used some good perfumes, some perfumes which are not synthetic, and that is the reason I am able to differentiate these perfumes from those perfumes. But again, that is not what my heart says, that is what my mind says, because my mind knows that there is something which is better than this However, personally I feel that these are good. A person who is looking for a perfume for 500 rupees is definitely gonna get everything for this. So yes, this is it about Villain perfumes. I'll mention the link of the website from where you can get these perfumes, and there's another section where you can get a combo. So I better recommend you to get the combo because it is 2 perfumes for $9.99, and I guess you'll get free samples as well. So just go for it. So yeah, this is about Villain, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. It really keeps me motivated. Thank you and have a great day.